it said to add live titles to just talk, and this is pretty cool. And now I just feel like, damn, I am dry. Stop. I'm trying to do tutorial intro here. Okay, here is my tutorial. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Okay, I got rid of live titles because it was saying weird things like emailed. And I did not mention any emails. Here are the colors I used. Welcome to my show. Okay, this is a cut off. How do I... Back to the dry skin. Wow, I can like zoom while I'm like recording my... Look at me, I'm putting on a nude color. It's Peanut Butter Toffee by Cocoist. Wow. Up, scoop it right there, scoop it right there, and then you're good. Wow. All set. This is definitely probably like the most boring tutorial ever. Like I filmed it and I even like talked over it like when I recorded it, but now I'm just doing like a voiceover because I just feel like we'll make it interesting somehow. Oh, look at that. Whoa, did you guys see that? See it? It was nude and then it was wet and then I swiped it through. Swipe it through, got a brush full of pink and I swipe it through. You float and swipe really fast, like that. Whoosh, I said whoosh. And then you compare it to the one you did before and you're like, what can I do better? Because I so far don't like that very much. So you just keep looking at the thumb and then you're just sitting there and... Okay, I think what I did here, yeah. I dipped into that bluey sheer white and now I'm just floating on through. Once again, just like floating and swiping. I probably still have pink on the brush because I didn't wipe it off, but like who even cares, you know? It's like art, you know what I mean? It's like you do you. You are the artist. And I probably don't like that. That's why I'm looking at it. I don't like that it's not blended enough. Okay, what did I do? More white. I see that. Nope, that's Peanut Butter Toffee. I can tell because it's nude. So now I'm just like placing it in there, I guess. Yep, and it's all still wet and I'm just like smooshing that in. Just smooshing and floating and just doing the thing. Wow. Yeah, look, I'm still not happy. I'm like, what am I doing? Why am I doing this? I need to like blend that little thing right there. Like I want it to be like seamless. Why is this thumb so perfect and like the pointer is like not? S-O-S, please, some. Still debating. Oh, looks like I added more white. Wow, we're really getting in deep here. Look, just scrubbing away. Scrub in. Wait, what are we doing? Why do we do this view? Can we like change it? Ooh. Wow, look how dry my finger is. Okay, I'm just fixing some stuff. Look, now I'm like, God damn it, I put too much product on there. What am I thinking about? God, more pink? God, psycho. What am I doing? This better turn out good. Who knows? You know what I mean? Who knows what this is gonna turn out like? Okay, some more pink, just really melting it in there. Oh my God, that was like the most beautiful swipe. I swear to God, if you touch it, don't touch it. Please don't touch it. Oh my God, that looks, wow. Where'd you go? There you are. Wow. No, yes, I'm like not mad at that. Don't touch it. Okay, whew, okay. Come on, put it in the light. Show us. What am I doing? Are you kidding me? More? Okay, so I'm blending the other side because here's the thing. When I do tutorials on my hand, it's like a problem because I'm very picky with what I want on my hands, and if it's not perfect, then I just want to just never do nails again in my life. Get in frame, swoop, there we go. Okay, oh my God, I think I'm happy with that. Oh my God, put it in the light, I said, and it's on. Ugh, what a freaking dummy. I decided to like do a time lapse of this as if like you would actually be able to like see the process. I mean, like you kind of, no, you can't. You literally can't. I was going to say, wow, you kind of can. No. And then I outlined it with gold and that was like so fast when in reality, like the gold outline took me probably forever because I'm so intense about my own nails. So here we are. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this isn't like, I just gotta be honest, this isn't like the final product because also I filmed that a week ago. So it's like super grown out. Okay. Honestly, I gotta go check the date to see when I filmed that, because maybe it's 2 weeks. Based on the grow out, I'm pretty sure I filmed that 2 weeks ago. Anywho, we are just raw and unedited and unfiltered. We got the dry skin. We got the realistic expectations of girls' fingers. The pinky is my favorite, and the pointer finger is my least favorite, and the pointer finger is literally what this tutorial was, so I'm sorry. Okay, here's like the first version I did, just for reference. Skin's still dry, but that's freshly done. Can you tell? Because obviously my nails are shorter. Oh my god, but look how pretty. Woohoo! There you go. I hope you learned at least half of a thing.